The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning for the following counties in Maryland: Howard County in central Maryland, Prince George County in southern Maryland, Montgomery County in southern Maryland. And for the following counties in Virginia: Alexandria in northern Virginia, Arlington County in northern Virginia, Fairfax County in northern Virginia, Fredericksburg in northern Virginia, Manassas in northern Virginia. And for the following cities in the District of Columbia: Washington, until 6:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Columbia, Maryland, moving southwest at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: deadly tornado and golf ball size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. This dangerous storm will be near Hyattsville around 4:40 p.m., Washington around 5 p.m., Alexandria around 5:30 p.m. Other locations impacted include Arlington, Bethesda, Manassas, Silver Spring, Rockville, Glen Burnie, Fort Washington, Ellicott City, Fredericksburg. This includes Interstate 95 between exits 38B and 173, Interstate 395 between exits 4 and 9, Interstate 295 between exits 5B and 1, and Interstate 66 between exit 69. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.